Dear students, we have already read about different movements during freedom struggle like Satyagraha movement, non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. At that period, a most important need of the time was to unifying the people and sparking in them the feeling of nationalism. So the emphasis was laid on the sense of collective belonging, and the various icons and symbols were also used to create the feeling of unity and oneness because people belong to different communities, language, or regions. So the need was to create the sense of unity among them. The sense of collective belongingness was created with united struggles, we have already read, and through cultural processes. Now, under the cultural processes, you have to understand how did cultural processes created the sense of collective belongingness. First is that is the history, fictions, folklores, songs, symbols which arose the feeling of nationalism, the pride on nation and the patriotism and fight against the British rule. Fiction का मतलब होता है बेटे that may be the prose or the novels. Folklore means that may be the customs or the stories which all created the feeling of nationalism. Second point, that is the नेशन केम टू बी एज सीन इन द इमेज ऑफ द भारत माता. तो जैसे हमने नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप में फीमेल अलेग्री जर्मीनिया किया था, यहाँ पे हम भारत माता की इमेज की बात करेंगे विच क्रिएटेड द फीलिंग ऑफ द नेशनलिज्म. एंड बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय क्रिएटेड द फर्स्ट इमेज ऑफ भारत माता, and after that the various other artists they portrayed the Bharat Mata in different forms. Next, his hymns to motherland Vande Mataram began to be sung widely in the nationalist movement. Next, the nationalists began collecting folklores and legend, and they preserved the traditions and discovered the national identity because the oneness and the feeling of the unity was in need of the time. नेक्स्ट इज दी दैट इज नतीशा शास्त्री. तो इनके बारे में आपने याद रखना है. ही ब्रॉट आउट कलेक्शन ऑफ द तमिल टेल्स एंड द फोकलॉर्स ऑफ द सदर्न इंडिया. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज द वेरियस सिंबल्स लाइक फ्लैग्स sought to be unite and inspire the people about the nationalism. यहाँ पे हम एक स्वदेशी और स्वराज फ्लैग की भी बात करेंगे आगे. नेक्स्ट इज and these all images and symbols were used by the nationalist movement and nationalist leaders at that time. Now just see one diagram, you can understand in the better form the collective identity. So first of all, that is the history, then folk tales and folk dances, national anthem, language, culture, songs, popular print and symbols were used to create the feeling of the oneness and belongingness in the people, right? Now just see the image, that image is in your book also, that is the Bharat Mata. The Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay created the image of the Bharat Mata, we have already read. And just keep in mind, Abindranath Tagore painted her image and Bharat Mata looked like, अब आपने characteristics पढ़ने हैं फीमेल एलेगरी के, that is the सन्यासिनी. She is calm, divine, spiritual, devotional towards and become a proof of nationalism, right? So these all are the characteristics. Next is the image of the Bharat Mata. You can see the various symbols are in the hands. Now we are talking about the Vande Mataram. So it was the prayer to the Bharat Mata written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and Vande Mataram became the war cry of the Indians, and it was later included in his novel Anandamath. Right. Now just see on the next image. This is again the image of the Bharat Mata. Right. This is now next is the flags which were used by the different types of flags were used during the nationalist movement. First is the Swadeshi flag and Swaraj flag. ध्यान से देखिए बेटे, स्वदेशी फ्लैग इसमें क्या करेक्टरिस्टिक्स दिखाए हुए हैं. इस फ्लैग में एक क्रिसेंट्रिक मून भी है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ड्यूरिंग द स्वदेशी मूवमेंट इन द बंगाल द ट्राई कलर फ्लैग, दिस इज रेड, green and yellow, was designed. It had 8 lotus and which is representing the 8 provinces of the British India, and crescentric moon is there and which representing the Hindu and Muslim unity. Now the Gandhiji had designed the Swaraj flag also. Just see the Swaraj flag. It was again a tricolor, red, green and white and had a spinning wheel in the center. देखिए यहाँ पे it is the spinning wheel in the center which is representing the Gandhian ideal of self-help. तो ये फ्लैग क्या सिखाता था? सेल्फ हेल्प विच एम्फेसाइज ऑन दी खादी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. नेक्स्ट इज दी एंड कैरिंग द फ्लैग होल्डिंग द aloof during the marches became the symbol